Hello, my dear students. A very good news for those of you who want to surrender their exemption, especially the permanent exemption. I have personally come across a lot of students who have this issue of, sir, we want to surrender permanent exemption. What is the process? What kind of affidavit has to be submitted? It was a very, very complex process. And finally, I think we should thank ICAI for bringing this, where they have said you can surrender your exemption online. So they have introduced an online facility to apply for the surrender of exemption. Normal exemption also, permanent exemption also. So who would want to surrender normal exemption? Those of you who are targeting a rank. Okay. Permanent exemption, if you feel that was not suitable for you, if you want to surrender, now no need to go with the long process, affidavits and all of those things. It can be done online, and this they have given a cutoff date for September 26 CA intermediate examination. You have to do it by 5th of August. Please remember this date, 5th of August. And for CA final examination, 30th of September of 26. So within this cutoff date, if you want to surrender your permanent exemption, you should do that. Online facility, very, very useful. So please make use of it if you are wanting to surrender the exemption. And yes, if any of your friends are wanting to surrender their exemption, you can share this video with them as well. All the best for your examination.